Okay, so normally when we save photos, traditionally, you would save it to your phone's hard drive. The problem with that is it takes up a lot of storage of your phone. So they created what's called cloud servers. And these cloud servers, what do? They store, so cloud storage. What does that mean? Well, here's the thing. This is a computer. This computer is actually not in the sky like a cloud. It's like in LA. Whenever you save a photo on your phone and you say you want to save it to the cloud, it doesn't just magically go up into the sky, into a cloud. No, 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 no. What happens is it goes to a different country, or to a different city, or to a different location, and it saves your beautiful photo onto that server. So we call this a remote server. That means it's somewhere else. It's not on the same location as you. And cloud storage allows us to store data, software, but it also allows us to access. That means look at our data or software. So I could have like a game on my cloud storage. If I want to play the game on my phone, I click on play. It then goes to the server. It says to the server, give me the game, and it's then played through the server on my phone. So, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage allows me to store data, software, or also allows me to access my photos, my data, or my software. It also allows me to access different services. So, for example, backups. Backups is a service. If they back up my data, it allows me to then access these backups at a later stage. So, again, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage is basically putting my data onto a server which is remote, different location, so that I can access my data, my software and services on this remote server, or I can store my data and software. When I say software, remember it's like apps on this server. So cloud storage, there's my little cloud. This is my phone. What are the benefits of storing data using cloud computing, and give 2 drawbacks of using cloud computing? Pause the video, give it a go yourself first. Well, with cloud computing, here's one benefit. To start off with, you normally get free storage. It's normally free to begin with. So that's a great great benefit. Normally they do, okay, have 20 gigs, 100 gigs for free, whatever it's going to be. And then we'll charge you later. Second thing, no need for high capacity storage. So, I'm working on developing a video game at the moment. I'm doing it on my home PC, but my home PC's got limited storage. I've got like 1 terabyte only. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the game files on my Google Cloud. That means my 1 terabyte of storage isn't being taken up by the game I'm developing. So I don't need for separate storage, which is separate, which is physical. Let me just make this bigger. Wrong one. And separate. Okay, what's another advantage? Well, I can access it from any device. I can access it from my phone, as I said, my 1 terabyte PC, my school laptop. So I can access from any device. As long as that device, and this is key, has internet access. You can't just say any device, you need to mention it has internet access. Uh-oh, my PC dies. I need to buy a new one. I've lost the game I'm developing. It's on my cloud storage. Uh-oh, it's got a virus. I upload a virus to my cloud storage. Uh-oh, my game gets corrupt. It's okay, Google offer a backup service. So they go back in time, they find the game that I'm making before the virus, and they restore it. So it has backup services for data. Some companies offer amazing security, maybe better than what I've got on my own PC. I've decided to hire someone from Japan to do my artwork. Guess what? I can share files easily because they can also connect to my cloud storage, so data can be shared. And finally, I'm running out of cloud storage in terms of space. Okay, I'll pay to get more. Now my cloud storage is huge. I've paid not that much money, but I haven't had to do it myself. So easily increased my storage capacity if I needed it. So all of these are the advantages. Free for small quantity, no separate storage devices needed, access data from any computer with internet access, built-in backup services, security could be better than what I've got already, can easily increase my capacity, although I might have to pay for it, and data can be shared easily, way more easier than if I wanted to share a game which is on my PC, and on my PC only, I would have to somehow email the game over. Yeah, good luck. I'll have to compress it, it'll take ages. And then you've got the negatives. The negatives seem to be the flips of the positive. So for example, you need internet access to connect to cloud. Security may not be strong. I said it could be strong, but it may not be strong. And the problem is, you have no control over that. Another issue? there may not be a backup service. Again, you've got no control. Let's go up because I'm running out of space down. Another, and this is true, it could have high or long upload, download. I can't spell download properly. Times. So it may take a long time to upload something. So when I'm putting my game onto my Google Cloud, it could take about 20 minutes, half an hour. It could be more expensive long term. So let's imagine that I've got my 80 gigs of storage in my Google Cloud. I've used it all up. I then make it 100. I pay an extra $5 a month. Over time, that $5 each month will add up, and it could come to a higher price than buying an extra 100 gigs, or sorry, an extra 20 gigs, because it's 80 to 100 myself. That might only cost me $50, whereas my cloud storage is costing me per year around 65. Actually, it's 50 per month, so way more than that. You get the gist. I can't even do the calculation. 50 times a year, 650, I think. So I may as well just buy it instead of, as in buy a new hard drive or extend my hard drive rather than use cloud storage. Cheaper short term, more expensive long term. There may be a limit in storage. So it might be that Google say we only offer up to 120 gigs. Then what? What am I going to do then? I'm going to have to make a new account. That's going to be a pain in the backside. So I start again. So I have 2 accounts going. There could be compatibility issues. What I mean by that is this. There'll be certain apps out there and programs which save files in certain ways. I then upload it to the cloud. But the cloud saves it in a different way because it won't be able to save it in a way which this app saves it as. So when I try and download it again, it doesn't work. So all of these are different problems. And finally, what happens if Google have issues themselves? So issues with a company offering a service, like downtime. What happens if Google's servers go down? I can't get access to any of my work. So you notice a lot of the negatives are the positives with some differences in certain places.